He's Scotland's former First Minister, now on trial, accused of sex crimes. Alex Salmond denies the 14 charges against him. Day one of his trial heard from one of 10 women accusers. The former Scottish Government official, known as Woman H, told how she was alone with him inside Bute House, the First Minister's official residence. It was June 2014 and they were alone in the drawing room. She said he sat next to her on the sofa and pulled her legs over his. He was touching her and kissing her neck and face. She retreated, she said, feeling she was being chased, like she was in a room with Muhammad Ali and George Foreman. When she tried to get out of the door, he leaned over her, effectively pinning her against a wall, touching her breast and trying to kiss her while she tried to wrestle her way out. When she did leave the room, she went upstairs to retrieve her belongings. On the way back down, he blocked her exit. She said she was frozen, panicking inside, and that he then pounced on her and started removing his clothes and hers. She said Mr Salmond pushed her back onto a bed and stood over her, naked and aroused, before climbing on top of her. Alex Salmond's accuser said she managed to push him away, get to the lift inside Bute House and make her exit. She said she felt hunted, humiliated and embarrassed. She said she didn't tell anyone because that would have been the ultimate humiliation. He has other women, she said, and I didn't want to be considered as that. Courtroom number 3 heard the alleged incident in June came after another the previous May. Again, they were in Bute House. He produced alcohol he'd been given by the Chinese ambassador, and they drank shots. She said he was half cut and put his hand down her top, started to kiss her face and neck and touch her legs. She said she managed to get up and leave, but said she felt she was having an otherworldly, outer-body experience. It was like I froze inside, she said. Alex Salmond denies the charges against him in this continuing trial. He's lodged a special defence of consent for 4 of the charges and alibi for a 5th. James Matthews, Sky News, Edinburgh.